Hello guys, this is Jeff Kirby 58, aka Pussy Destroyer 445, and ladies, I got a deal for you. Look at this. Ooh, I know you want this. You want to fuck me.
Are you recording me this time? Are you not filming your porn? Hey! Are you not filming your Pornhub ad now?
Do you want me to?
No.
Oh, I know the ladies want me to.
No, they don't. Okay. Hi, I'm PsiPaula4, and welcome to the final episode of Thinking with PsiPaula4.
You're boring me. I'm leaving.
Hey!
Oh, I'm not terrified by you.
Hey! We are going to be making chicken tenders.
What? I'm vegan.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're fucking not. Let's go.
Wait, this is a special guest star,
No,
right? Yeah.
we're not making him. We're making chicken, not parakeet.
Ew.
Okay.
I'm vegan. Nah.
Hey, that's not the fucking freezer.
How about some chunky peanut butter?
That's not the freezer.
Damn it.
Here's the chicken. See, it's all chickeny.
Ew. I'd rather have, thick wolf time. Hey.
No!
Seduce me, daddy.
No! We have to open the package.
Okay, let me do it.
It's all... Hey, that's not how you open it!
Oh. Whew.
Where's the scissors?
I got you.
Why are you hitting me?
Yeah, the scissors, right? I mean, this could work, too. A bat? Are you kidding?
Oh, here it is. In the Wayne deal. Remember the Wayne...
So much horrible memories. Fuck you.
Alone! What did he ever do to you? What the hell? Reindeer.
Fuck you. Alright, I'll try to film this time.
Yes, film this time.
Whoa, she is hot.
Hey!
She is smoking.
No!
She is smoking. I have a lust for Asian ladies.
Shut
Fuck
up!
me harder.
12-year-olds watching this!
Oh, I forgot about your fans.
Yeah!
Don't
Now,
curse.
excuse my French.
Oh wait, I know French. No habla español.
What?
Ching chong.
No! Now we have to put the chicken onto this thingamabob. What are you doing?
I'm making it vegan.
That's not vegan!
That's vegan.
It's creamy!
They're all dead.
And?
Brick, they're all dead! You monster.
Okay. I can't believe I'm from Undertale. I mean Earthbound. What's Undertale?
Yo, what the hell is Undertale?
Look how scrumptious it is pre-cooking.
Hey, Britt, I don't know what's a scrumptious?
No!
Asian lady!
No!
Asian lady! Seduce me! Seduce me!
Hey! What are you doing? No! What the
Britt,
fuck?
give some ice! Ugh!
Why?
Aren't you hot? You said you were hot.
I said I'm not hot! Oh! What are you doing?
What? Oh!
What are you doing?
There, it's good. It's good.
Okay, we have to wait for the oven to preheat because you can't make anything in the oven without preheating it. It's common knowledge.
What? What's wrong with you? You don't preheat it? Only crazy people do it! Oh, yes. Oh my, look at that! Ooh, thick! Ooh, I'm creaming!
No more Asian lady. No more Asian lady.
I'm still erected right now.
No. So the oven is the right temperature now. So now we're gonna get out our little.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg and my arm, even my fingers.
I hate pigs! No!
Hey! What are you?
Oh, I want to put soap on.
Fill the chicken! We're gonna put the chicken in the oven.
Brought to you by olive oil.
We have to wait again.
Brought to you by olive oil. Flipper barrel. Where's Italian bodega?
What?
Where's Italian? Wait,
Hey.
what is that?
Here's the human!
Oh my god!
Yes, sir!
Oh my god!
Very sorry for my lateness. I had to brush my hair. Get that crap
Oh my
out of here. I, the great papyrus.
What is that abomination? What?
Yeah.
Where's Ness?
Oh, that's that lazy bones. He is doing baseball practice while selling hot dogs.
How are you alive? You don't have any organs!
That's racist.
I don't understand. This is weird.
What are we cooking today?
We are making chicken.
What?
I am making her
We have to
day.
fix this
That's
right
not
now.
making.
Sorry,
It's
wait,
Asian
no.
lady.
Here we go. All righty.
Don't have spaghetti!
Here we are.
We're making chicken vinaigrette.
Why would
What?
you? What? Hey.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay, human. Where is that spaghetti?
Wait
Where's
a
that
sec.
spaghetti?
Hey, you're pretty thick.
Oh,
What?
thanks.
Bro, I think
boy.
I'm gay now.
Yeah.
I'm gay for you.
You know what I also like? I also really like Asian skeletons.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Leave! Leave!
Okay.
She didn't offend you. He didn't offend you.
Enough with the Asian lady!
I told you to get out of here!
I am not leaving until the video's done.
That's it. Leave!
But
Both of you don't listen! You're like that one guy who uploaded an animation of me that I told to not make it, and I told him to take it down, and then instead of taking it down, he made the video private, thinking I wouldn't notice. Then I told him to take it down again, this time getting a bunch of people to dislike the video.
Yeah, Britt,
You're like that guy, both of you!
Yeah, Britt, on a serious note, like, that guy is a total dumbass.
I hope he, chokes on uncooked pasta.
Can we cook him this time?
Look at that.
Let's cook him!
Listen,
I would agree.
Oh.
if you really want to make pasta, this is all we have.
Ramen! I guess this will do.
I love ramen. It makes me feel all pretty.
Oh.
Damn. Your eyes.
Oh, thank you.
Hey! That's my daddy!
So why did you put your daddy on my
My
pasta sauce?
thick daddy!
Thick?
I'm just kidding, you're my thick daddy.
Oh, thank you. Does anyone have scissors?
Put soap on it.
Oh, that's a great idea. Oh, yes.
What are you
Perfect.
doing?
Oh, yes.
There's scissors right here!
But
Oh,
why didn't you just say so, human?
look at all this soap. My hand's clean.
Oh, your hand is so clean.
It's
Make
either
sure
clean
you don't
or is
dirty
it-
it by masturbating again.
Oh yeah, this might be cum.
This is
Oh.
for kids.
Hey, hey, thick Asian lady. I know you want this semen.
With the lady!
Alrighty. We got that. Get the... It smells like sauerkraut. I can't cook pasta like this.
You smell like flowers, daddy.
You know, we need flour. Where is the flour?
And we need cornstarch.
Here we are. Yes, we need to...
Oh, damn it.
You got jizz on the pasta!
Well, it'll make it hotter for you, daddy. Let's make it vegan, too.
Oh, good idea!
Get out of here. I hate my cum hands.
It's awesome thing!
Time is going by so fast.
Alrighty.
What are we, in the Matrix?
Yeah. Did you know that? The Matrix also appeals to our, creator, Shikisato Choi, who also made the Earthbound series.
Oh my god! Jesus, is that you?
And especially Mother 5.
I love Mother 5! I was in that game!
Well, I can't wait for Mother 6.
Mother... Oh yeah, Mother 6, you know about Mother 6. So, can I use this pot for my pasta?
Can we use, like, real pot,
Yes.
like weed?
Oh yes! Go find the weed!
This video's for kids!
Hey, I'm gonna teach kids about bukkake.
No!
Hey kids, you wanna know what bukkake is? It's when these three guys...
I could not find weed, but I did find myself portraits!
Oh, my erection's coming on.
Yeah, good. Isn't it good?
Stop putting sexual stuff!
Ah, yes.
What are you doing?
This is going very well.
Yeah, this cooking show is going awesome.
I think this is the best episode yet, and we're not even done.
Britt.
I don't think so!
Britt, I matured so much, Britt. And so did you. You got so big, and your dick got so large.
Here it is. I can make it go orange.
Whoa! I think I'm gay now, Britt.
Wait! Hang on, we're missing an important ingredient. Where is it?
Love?
You know it, big boy. You know it, big boy. You know it, big boy. You know it, big boy.
Oh, I love
What
you.
are you doing?
Seduce me, Daddy. I love you, Daddy.
Oh, this is Undertale, as in T-A-I-L.
What's
Yeah.
Undertale? I only know Earthbound.
You're right, human. I'm sorry. That's just...
What the hell is Undertale?
I'm sorry, 12-year-olds watching this.
The microwave died.
You killed the microwave! You killed chickens, and now you killed microwaves! It's all your fault!
I didn't do anything! I'm innocent!
This room's a mess, and it's all your fault!
I didn't make
Look at
any
those
of this
pigs on the
mess.
floor!
I made this mess.
Already, can't you believe how time flies when we're having fun?
Yeah, really.
Let's have more fun, Daddy.
Yeah,
Yes.
Daddy.
No!
I think I came.
Hey, you don't respect gay relationships?
Wow, that is
Wow, so
homophobic.
racist. You think it's disgusting?
This is a kid show.
To get us done, humans!
Is it? I hope it's vegan.
I hope it's vegan too.
As you can
12-year-old.
see, it's all chickeny. That's enough for today. That's
But-
enough forever. Goodbye forever, everyone.
Oh, we're not
Goodbye.
done. We have to
PSI, cooking with PsiPaula4 is done. Bye. See, it's on the side. Chickeny.